Off-grid like a boss. Bluetti Elite 200 V2 solar generator might just replace your power company. Ever been stranded mid-camping trip with a dead phone, dying cooler, and no backup plan? Or hit by a blackout during crunch time while your trusty power bank gasps its last breath? That gut punch of helplessness hits hard, and your sad little backup battery just ain't cutting it anymore. If you felt paralyzed by unreliable gear that dies when you need it most, you're not alone. And don't even get us started on grid dependency, because spoiler alert, it fails too. We're done with the panic, the chaos, the shoulda packed more juice regret. You deserve better. Like, solar-powered beast level better. You finally plan that perfect off-grid weekend, but boom, your gear fizzles faster than cheap festival food. Dead drone, no coffee, spoiled snacks, and no tunes? Welcome to survivalist sadness. Or worse, try grinding through a work deadline at home, and the power tanks. No backup equals total productivity apocalypse. Every second you're unplugged is time, money, and memories you'll never get back. And don't even think about waiting for help, because spoiler, they're stuck in the same blackout. Power insecurity isn't just annoying, it's suffocating. You're not living off the grid, you're just barely surviving in it. But it doesn't have to be that way. Say hello to the Bluetti Solar Generator Elite 200 V2, aka your new off-grid ride or die. With 2073.6 watt-hours of clean, solar-charged muscle and a monster 2600 watts output, this beast powers everything from your fridge to your full-blown campsite party setup, while charging 9 devices at once. Plus, the sleek 200-watt solar panel, yep, included, keeps your power flowing long after gas generators go quiet. And with a 17-year LFP battery lifespan? This isn't just a backup, it's your forever flex. Safe, silent, efficient, and app-controlled. The Elite 200 V2 doesn't just save your trip, it upgrades your lifestyle. What's the real flex? Stress-free adventures. No more rationing battery life or praying for sunshine. The Bluetti Elite 200 V2 powers coffee makers, CPAPs, air pumps, even space heaters, hello power lifting mode. With whisper quiet operation and a rugged design that's made for chaos, it's your portable oasis in a world of uh-oh moments. And hey, it plays nice with your phone too, just tap into the app for total control. Ready to upgrade your off-grid game? This isn't about backup, it's about full-time freedom. Stick around, because what comes next might just change how you power everything. Why gamble on your next outage, adventure, or emergency? Thousands of savvy users already ditched their old-school gear for the Elite 200 V2, and the hype's real. But listen, stock moves fast. With solar panels shipping separately, now's your moment to lock in the full bundle before it's gone. Don't wait to lose power to realize you need it. Don't settle for one more underpowered regret. Grab your Bluetti Elite 200 V2 now and own your freedom, your safety, your vibe, anywhere. Tap that link, hit buy, and glow up your gridless life today. You're not just buying power. You're buying peace. Let's go.